Welcome to our comparison of two compact washing machines designed for small spaces. Today, we will look at the Nixod portable washing machine and the Yeltimer portable washing machine. Both machines are perfect for apartments, dormitories, and hotels, but they have distinct features that set them apart. Let's explore their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for you. When it comes to washing capacity, the Nixod portable washing machine offers a capacity of 15 liters, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Yeltimer portable washing machine has a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters, allowing for a bit more laundry at once. This difference may seem small, but it can make a significant impact if you frequently wash larger items or multiple pieces of clothing. Next, let's talk about pricing. The Nixod portable washing machine is priced at $78, while the Yeltimer is more budget-friendly at $50. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many buyers, especially those looking for a cost-effective solution for their laundry needs. However, it's essential to consider the features and performance each machine offers for the price. Finally, let's examine the features. The Nixod portable washing machine includes a spin basket and offers multiple wash cycles, which can be very useful for different laundry needs. On the other hand, the Yeltimer portable washing machine boasts a low-noise motor and a foldable design, making it even more convenient for storage and use in quiet environments. Depending on your priorities, one of these features may appeal to you more than the other. In conclusion, both the Nixod and Yeltimer portable washing machines offer unique advantages for those in need of a compact laundry solution. The Nixod provides precise wash cycle controls, while the Yeltimer offers a larger capacity and quieter operation. We recommend considering your specific needs and preferences before making a purchase. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.